And special thanks to our friends over at FNTCASE who were nice enough to send us this Samsung Galaxy S24 case. This is a little box that it comes in from FNTCASE, and inside of here is nothing else in there. A very nice, completely clear case. You get an installation and cleaning kit for your screen. You get a little camera protector for your cameras, and you get a nice tempered glass screen protector to put on your S24, and then a completely clear Samsung Galaxy S24 case. So take your phone and go buttons first, pop it into this case, and as you can see, it provides protection on the corners. You still have your power buttons and volume button, speaker grill, USB-C port, and a nice cutout for your cameras. The best part about this is, as you can see, whichever color Samsung Galaxy S24 you buy, you can see with this case. Completely clear. There's actually don't even see any logos or branding anywhere on this case. The only thing I do see is SAM-S24 here on the corner, but that's just telling you which phone it's for. So very nice. Love the look of this. Love clear cases because then it can show off your beautiful new phone. So thanks again to FNTCASE who was nice enough to send me this Samsung Galaxy S24 case to unbox and show you. Love this crystal clear look. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.